Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custom block, only way. Start by sketching your block concept and choosing core materials to suit function. Think about size, weight, and how users will interact with the block. Prioritize simple geometry for easier cutting and printing. Measure twice and plan joints that align cleanly for strong assembly. Keep tools and workspace organized so building stays smooth and safe. In this video, I will show how to make custom block, only way. Begin by comparing material properties and availability to match intended use. Pick fasteners and adhesives rated for the materials and anticipated loads. Consider coatings that improve durability, grip, or appearance. Factor in cost, ease of machining, and environmental conditions the block will face. Planning materials early reduces rework and helps ensure a reliable final piece. In this video, I will show how to make custom block, only way. Quick recommendation: grab the Echo Dot smart speaker to add hands-free control and ambient sound while you work. It keeps playlists and timers handy in the shop. I find voice commands save time and make measuring beats less tedious. If that sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make custom block, only way. First, transfer templates to material and cut parts carefully, keeping edges clean. Dry fit pieces to confirm alignment and adjust as needed before gluing or fastening. Use clamps and jigs to hold components square while adhesives cure or fasteners set. Test moving parts and clearances as you go to avoid surprises. Finish with sanding and final checks to ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.